Well, on YouTube, good morning, good morning. Another day, second day in the new year. Blessings to all, blessings to everyone. And the guest on with another Wake and Bake for the 2018. So bless up to everyone worldwide and much love. Gonna light myself up my spliff and just relax with you guys for the morning. Negative thinking, don't you place the thoughts. Verbal conflict is a waste of words. Physical conflict is a waste of flesh. People will always be you. And cheers to everyone. Our people, much love. Unconditional love is and bless up Dr. Wiggler. Bless up the doctor and the players. Yeah, precious life to me. So I live my life for you. You see, you've always been there for me. So I'll be there for you. Today's plans include rewriting over my resume and stuff. I'm job hunting for 2018 apparently. Got some stuff I need to get done. I need to fill in some spaces here in the house. So go review my application letter, my resume, fix it up and send it off to be printed so I can get a couple copies a little later. And yeah, throughout the week I'll be job hunting. Any plans for the day regards to you, Dr. Wiglow? Yeah, work is pretty hard to find in Jamaica. There are not a lot of available positions or job opportunities here, but there are jobs pretty hard to get at times, but it's fairly hard. The only thing that I really like the states are first world countries is they have more job opportunities. I wouldn't mind that, but yeah, pretty hard here in Jamaica. Wow, remodeling for 7 months. That's intense. Hope everything is finishing up properly and looking beautiful. And Dr. Wiggler is also a hard workman. Nice. Now to use his tools around the house. Bless up, Dr. Wiggler. You've always been good to me. You've always been kind to me. You've always stood up for me. You've always been there for me. You've always been good. You've always been good. You've always been there for me. You've always been there for me. You've always been true to me. And so I'll stay true to you. I will be waiting there with you. I will be waiting there with you. This world of calamity, dirty looks and bloodies and jealousy. And police where abuse them on everything. Be the guns when I know about variety. Yo, the youngest veteran, I go murder them slow. Nice. Glad that it's coming out nice, Dr. Wigler. And yes, good thing that your hands on. Got to get your hands dirty from time to time. Without a doubt, don't let them take you like for them to count.
Sometimes I can't help but feel helpless. I'm having days and daytime while I'm really trying to relate. This can't be happening like I'm in a dream while I'm walking. Cause what I'm seeing is haunting. Human beings like ghosts and zombies. President Mugabe holding guns in innocent bodies in Zimbabwe. They make John Pope seem God, sacrilegious and blasphemous. In my lifetime, I look back at past I was where savages fought, pastors taught, prostitutes stomping out here boots, and badges screaming, young black children stopping out real shit. I look back and cook back, plus cars that pass by, Jaguars, bad fly, and I'm guilty for my imperialism. Blacks are still up in the prison, trust that. So save me your sorry for raising an army, revolutionary warfare with Damian Marley. Spar in the irons, marching the Zion, you know how Nas be, NYC, state of mind. This world of calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy. And police where abuse them authority.
Me that comes, I don't know what I'm doing.
Single parents will need some charity. You will need some love and prosperity. Instead of broken dreams and tragedy. Fire the people and the dreams and strategy. Say, I gotta keep on walking.
Bless up to Piccolo. Oh, go on, didn't see you there, my brother. I was just dropping a post on Instagram. Dirty looks and grudges and jealousy. And Piccolo in the process of inventing a new flying system. Bless on that. But give me a sneak peek on that. Let me know how to chart my routes. And so best up to everyone here. Much love from Jamaica to everyone worldwide. Bless up Helix in the place.
and the knife, and they can kill you once, but they can kill you twice. Teaching of destruction, not the flesh is not the ending to life. Fear not of the Antichrist. Teaching of the time exists before the earth, and teaching of my eyes are windows to the world. Teaching of your can't go as I am, and now we're every day. Can't tell the boys from the girls. The body's just a vehicle, transporting your soul. It's what's inside of people, it's duty to be known. Fear not of evil. Every day that flesh it grows. Changes of the times they the toll. And it was written, all is a fool of life.
Endure forever.
And love is the presence of the love maker. I listen the words of the comforter. Endure much longer, live much longer. Here is in the eyes of the beholder. And love is in the presence of the love maker. I listen the words of the comforter. Endure much longer, live much longer. Praise the Lord, the Jesus, and Rastafari is his name. The gift of everlasting life comes towards us all. Blessed that you all forgot, blessed that you all forgot, blessed that I should do it.
Do you remember Elijah? And then bless up your boy, Roy boy. Much love, my brother. Glad that you're in the place.
Enjoy much longer, live much longer. Here it is the eyes of the beholder. And love is in the presence of the love maker. Life is in the words of the comforter. Enjoy much longer, live much longer. Careful how you entertain stranger. Still I'm still up for money and a danger. I'm never crucified as the savior. He left up himself and not the ruler. Babylon and malfunction with them no failure. So be careful of the cellular equation. But as I see them, I see danger. So them great but Celestic like greater, yo. And it was written, all is a fool of life.
Much love to you, my brother. I'm glad you're here. That's a blessing to everyone.
Upon the blood clot and fill the block with polarized cops. Cops get out and talk, you know you watch me box, yeah. My black woman is getting raped across the yachts, yeah. Before all the brothers and chunks, yeah. Imagine somebody said, that's what's undead, Sam. See us, we do the crime, we do the time. Y'all get your ass scot free. So police we gon' pop you for your pop me. Cause if you get me, you got me, you shot me, no lock me, carry shot Jesus, mom, stop it. Cause my room sloppy. The youngest nigga out the campus, me. But nobody can with me, so you better go back with me. For sure, they don't play it, plenty chicks me blaze, money, raise, pennies the dollars, storm, I be power, watch your bum holler, watch your run, hit the floor, go and come, no, show your guns up, oh yeah. And it was written, all is a fool of life.
Hope you get the motivation to trim your boy. And if you need help, you can go right ahead and ask me. Again, I should think about applying to be a trimmer in the States. That would go well.
When most people don't even smile, there's a natural instinct going through you. So keep it realistic and don't let go. The truth is crying out and it's so loud and so clear, but most people won't even hear. Spiritual pollution in the atmosphere. It's so much confusion and wondering like you hear. To keep the rasta. To keep the Rastafari is my right mind to share, but some would rather to be so unfair. And it was written, all is a fool of life.
And it was truly written indeed.
Here we are. Here we are. Tears for the people. Yo, D, let's go all the way in on this one. Some of the smallest comments carry the language of Egyptian moments. On a flag over moon, and can't find food for the starving comments. Pay no mind to the youths, cause it's not like the future depends on it. Say the animals in the zoo, how the chimpanzee, them a make big money. This is how the media villages, on TV the picture rich. Savages of villages, and scientists can't explain the pyramids. Evangelists making a living of the videos of groups of the little kids. Stereotyping the image of the images, and this is what the image is. If I have keep on son, all of a sudden you was like in the other towns. And I think on the gold and pick up the scrolls and even the bare bones. Some of the worst paparazzis I've ever seen and I ever known. But the words on this place of the world can see and the stars that will never show. So the ones in the west will never move east and feel like it'll be a town. Get you by the beast, but the way them gonna flee when the monster is fully down. All I'm only flying is with them, we can defeat and them could have never clown. A spiritual DNA that lives in my soul and I will forever own, Lord. Yeah. Surviving is patience. What the old folks told me. Can you give it that? Discovering the world before this world. A world buried in time. Uncovered with rhymes. Gets no realer. We don't know it. How we don't know it, God. We growing wiser. How we just growing down. Can you read thoughts? Can you read thoughts? Can you predict the future? Can you see storms coming? The earth was flooded, you went too far, you fall off. When the earth is falling, the average man can't prove up most of the things that he chooses to speak of. And still go research and find out the root of the truth that they seek of. And I teach in universities and them back their small and telling. They let find a pure and peace, and that's when they're now stop running. And the rich gets pushed up, and they get caught.
Since we're throwing out temperatures, it's 77 degrees Fahrenheit here. I'm not playing with no cold temperatures, no negative nothing.
Can you make peace? Can you fight war? Can you build house? Can you build your house? Can you survive against all odds? It's crazy. When you feed people the truth, you don't know how they gonna react. You're scared of wrongdoers. People that's just ignorant. You're scared of the truth. Be patient. For now, who wrote the Bible? Who wrote the Quran? And was it a lightning storm that gave birth to the earth and then dinosaurs were born? Who made up words? Who made up numbers? And what kind of
Well, with those temperatures, Dr. Wigger, the grow room needs to be warm.
Try it, no matter what, we'll survive it. What's human? What's bad? What's human? Anything along the way, we're consuming, eating, deleting, ruining, trying to get paid. Gotta have land, gotta have acres. So why we sit back like that? Niggas said, watch niggas play the game like the Lakers. In a world full of 52 fakers, gypsy seances, this was praise. You superstitious, throw so on your shoulders, make a wish for the day, cuz like somebody got a doll on me. Sticking needles in my artery, but I can't feel it. Sometimes it's like part of me, but I got a real big spirit. I'm fearless. But you try to grab hold of my soul. It's like a military soldier since 7 years old. I held real dead bodies in my arms, but their body turned cold. Oh, why we born in the first place? And this is how we gotta go today. Goes to all the wisdom and the knowledge seekers of the world. Survival, patience. Yeah.
Sabali, patient. Blessings for the song there. And much love to everyone in the place. Just said, just starting the week and bake. I'm in my first with already. Going to roll up another one and just skank easy with it, you know. Skanking, grooving.
Under the pressure of the life running up, no stay down, no matter pick it up. No matter we did down first time, we up good night. The pick it up, when the bills and the rent and the mortgage due. Yeah. But the challenge when your best friends are gone and it's only you. Like a prescription of the mirror, it's nothing sweet. Everybody wanna be like free, but let your troubles and your rock with me. You don't feel like the music sweet, it's driving sweet. Everybody wanna be like free, but let your troubles and your rock with me. You don't feel like the music sweet, it's driving sweet. For every pain there's a melody, yeah. For every trouble there's a harmony that brings everything together.
Best of T-Man in the place.
And who's the light in the order? And everyone got their struggle. How they can help me, Lord? They let me overcome my troubles. Skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free, but get the troubles and the rock with me. You know feel reggae music sweet, yeah. Skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free, but get the troubles and the rock with me. You know feel reggae music sweet, yeah. Skanking sweet. We skanking till I'm on it go. Until the day when my joy is gone. Hallelujah. We're growing in our time. We're growing on our troubles. See, everybody wanna be right.
Okay. Gonna show some bud. Another piece here. So this is my bud edge. Like a herbage.
I wanna be skanking. I'm gonna be skanking. I'm gonna be skanking.
The sun shall not smite eye by day, nor the moon by night, nor the pestilence that lurks in darkness, nor destruction that wasteth at noonday. The time of
When I look at where
I'm
I'm
coming from.
I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like the richest man in Babylon. And I've done my best, so everything's alright inside. Oh, every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my eyes to this, I'm blessed, oh man. With my two hands in the air as far as I can. Yeah, as far as I can. I can, yeah. My two hands in the air as far as I can. Oh, every morning
I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing.
yeah. Lift up my eyes to this, I'm blessed, oh man. Sometimes I'm lost and far from home, but I find my way. I follow my heart, I know I'll be found someday. While I'm lost, I learn and live. What do you say? Let's have a good time until that day. Oh, every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my eyes to this, I'm blessed, oh man. With my two hands in the air as far as I can. Yeah, as far as I can. I can, yeah. My two hands in the air as far as I can. Oh, every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. Yeah. Lift up my eyes to this, I'm blessed, oh,
Regarding anything, me moving to the States, as said in the chat, if I get a job there, sure, I'll move to the States for a bit, work, gain some capital, experience, whatever, but no permanent move. Just a visit to the States, work some money, and get a job started out. I said, only if I get a job there.
The time has just come.
Here is a story told to the children of Africa.
we love the children of Africa. Teaching the children.
Oh, na 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 na.
Da, 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 da. Black eye, black hair, black skin, black things that majestic is the black king. Today I sing you a black song. You need to hear about beautiful black thing. Cause most time we hear about black, we hear about black magic and black witches. Black is black book, black market, black Friday, you spend out your black witches. I've never seen a doctor in black or seen a black beauty cure a black beauty. But I've seen good doctors like that and Molly resurrect like a real black beauty. Malcolm, Marcus, Martin. When you see Walter Rodney Austin, oh, you not hear about Owen Austin. So when the little offspring Austin, girl, they never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us Black is beauty. They never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us. They never told us that black is beautiful.
I remember, guys, say it that thumbs up, show some love to the stream, and blessings to all for being here. Just rolling up another spliff, and much love from Jamaica to all of you guys. Blessings, more love. I'm really happy that I made it to 2018, yo.
I see no faces, no. But this is not a racist song. This is a song for the children who was never told about where the race is from. They never hear it in them favorite songs. Everybody come and say ladies come. What I got one when the ladies come. I start read about things like Joe Guns, Black Skeleton Push. Black Kings, Black Senate and books. But each boat pyramids and put deal significance to your physical looks. So every word when we sing black. In my word, everything black. Black, white, black, white. So don't be surprised if we say the king black. Cause they never told us that
Black is beautiful, they never
told us. Black is beautiful. They never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us. They never told us that black. Oh no. Preacher is preaching, good God, the things that he preaches. I wonder who taught him to preach. Teacher is teaching, where did he get his degree? Now it is no mystery, who taught us black history? He's up. I know everybody are gonna like we, still the irony. I mean,
You know, dancer.
everybody are gonna like still the irony. How we not love life, every time I rise, we do it for the love and I do it for the life. Do it for the love and I do it for the life. Do it for the love and I do it for the life. Do it for the love and I do it for the life. Success don't come overnight. No when I know a substance over I do it for the love and I do it for the life.
Where did I put that stuff, bro?
Sit down on the post and I sleep all night. Sit down on social media type. While I Saturdays, you know I'm ice. Oh, we never put them up for no life. And we never see them again in the poor life. You miss someone on your house so much life to me. I'm always still a lead for I pay. Sing from me with a red yeah. If we put the deal this first, that's all. While we take on the war and I real work, that's all. When you say yes, I see I never choose when we never right.
So the spliff is ready, people. I said, bless up for everyone here. Second day in the new year. Glad to be here. Glad to be growing. Glad to be smoking. Glad to be just alive to embrace another day. 2018, year of new possibilities, doing something different. For me, going to be job hunting, so seeing where I can find a job somewhere, and who knows what happens next. I'll definitely still be on YouTube even with a job. May not do wake and bakes, but I'll be here in the evening hours. Maybe I wake and bake on a Saturday and a Sunday, but yeah, gotta move on, make some life decisions. I'm getting a job is one of them for now.
Jesus Christ, be it to the love and I be it to the light. Something to make it everybody move the people. And it knows it, and everybody knows the people.
Much love for that, Dr. Wiggler. Much love. Go need the blessings indeed.
We don't wanna waste their critique the song. We don't wanna need that I interpret me wrong. So make me give me credits in a dance or fashion first. The coconut and the one table done. The weather patchy and the one in German then. Big up the killer and the one the man. King Yellow Man, Buru Buju Bantan. Early beans that you just see what they done. Me and the one Philip sister Diamond. And none of them know what like Mariam. Yeah, this are you are really big man. Big up baby Nika, you are the American. Big up there's one and you put up Papa Son. Big up every man that did not know I am a can. Big up chronically what it all like a can. Steve is, Tony and Dave Telly. Of the digital and I was in Johnny. Exterminators, I am rabbit. Steve from my brother, calling your minute. We got succulent in Volvic and a Benjamin Rock and Nike. Deep in the sands and a number ready. All these Cub Scouts are down up the red. Ooh, now. There she goes, again. Not to dread, lonely man. When you're there, is that issue now? When you know I'm gonna miss it all. We both know that we need our space. My mind wanna be alone. My heart wanna be alone. Can't be without you, no way. Every time I play tough and walk away, I find I needed to fill up this empty space. Oh baby, loneliness taking over me when you're gone out, darling. Loneliness every day, yeah. Loneliness taking over.
By the way, I got a brother watching. Got Big Mish watching. Big Mish. He's like the producer, beats maker, basically our overall music guy in the group and the family. Just up to Big Mish watching. Man say, yo, the spliff look gracious. Yeah, man. Have to rise with a Bob Marley spliff. And bless up Brian and the place. Much love, my brother.
Every man needs them space. Every heart needs embrace. Not trying to leave you no way. Every time that I surrender to you, I start to miss the feeling of feeling blue, baby. Yeah. Loneliness taking over me when you're gone out, darling. Loneliness every day.
And bless up to Helix. Safe journeys, my brother.
Loneliness taking over me when you're gone out, baby. Loneliness, loneliness, loneliness. Nothing I enjoy that thing there. No, you reserve the key to my heart. No other one can come in there. No, no. No, baby girl, when you're gone, I will not enjoy that thing there. What kind of thing is your valley? Feel your back in your minute, that kind of thing there. Yeah, loneliness taking over me when you're gone out, darling. Loneliness every day, every day. Loneliness taking over me when you're gone out, baby. Loneliness, 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 loneliness.
Yeah, second people. Like instinct saying something not turned off. And it was the water heater and the light. So bless up everybody. I'm back here burning a spliff and just meds in the morning with you guys.
Only you know, yeah. Only you know. They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. They see the dancing, them see the performance. Love people see me life and one.
Bless up J Lucas and Miss College. Much love.
Mama just gone and with tears in her eyes. She never know me have a stage show tonight. Not even she see the fears in my eyes. But me just a go and put on the show. Cause they don't know, yeah. They don't know, oh, oh. They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. Only you know.
Chronix.
Only I know. They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. Yes, in the boiling sun, putting it on the street. Righteous music, we're putting it on the beat. But nothing no righteous but all life. If you don't know hard life, then you don't know life. Yeah, but my papa just call me Papa to make him a screw. You never know, say me have an interview, but we still have to put on the show because they don't know. I said they don't know, yeah. They don't know. They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. Only you know, Chronix. Only you know, yeah, yeah. They see you smile,
But they don't know what I feel inside.
yes, I. So long me make me bad, long me make me cry, cause they don't know
What I feel inside.
Long me make me bad.
Love make me cry.
Yes, I, yes, I, yes, I.
And so long make me bad. Love make me cry. They don't know.
Only I know, yes, yes. Only I know. Listen, can this come on the stage and done it? Even if man friend them bunny. But them never know say I want shirt. Me have to wash it and me have to sun it up. Them say me get the stage up. Them say me lyrics them a flow. But they never know say we have to work hard in a 6 feet of snow.
They don't know.
They don't know. They smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. Only you know.
Now I'm have to run this song, yeah. Since that's Chronix to play this song, I have to play after it. You know, man? Oh, just to give us a right praise. Good morning to you, East Coast Silas. Bless up from Canada. Bless up from Jamaica to you, my brother. Bless up Parchment Harvest in the place. By the way, guys, since you missed it, I'm job hunting. So anywhere that wants me, even if it's in the States, I'll be applying to see where I can go. So never know, might be in the States, might be in Canada, might be here in Jamaica working. But that's the new venture, working, job hunting this week. All my life. All my life. And bless up to everyone. We got 11 watching and 11 likes. 11, 11. Yo, bless up for that and much love to everyone. Yeah, man, this seems appropriate.
It's so praise the Most High God every day with your whole heart and desire. Live the night, holy, 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 Zion.
Yeah, the volume is okay now.
The Lord's my shepherd, I'm not wanting. Take me down to life. In pastures green, I lead me. The quiet waters by. My soul, oh, I'm restored again, and need to walk astray. Within the bound of righteousness, even for his name's They surely come towards me. My table has burdened in the presence of my foes. My head is full, my cup is overflow. Goodness and mercy shall my life shall surely follow me. And in darkness where I am, my dwelling place must be. Goodness and mercy all my life shall surely follow me. And in Jehovah's forevermore, my dwelling place shall be. Goodness and mercy all my life shall surely follow me. And in Jehovah's heart I am home. My dwelling place must be. My soul, oh, have restored again. Need to walk those days within the path of life to stand even for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the darkness, yet will I know me. Thou art in me, thy rod and thy staff, they surely comfort me. I glory, hallelujah, hallowed be thy name, O Most High God. Glory be to Most High God, hallowed be thy name. King of kings and Lord of lords, worthy to be praised. I ascribe to you the power and praise. Throughout the years and years to come, you'll always be the same. It's me again, God, as a poor man needs to be. Help me, God, I pray. The words we can it's me again, God, and the poor man is today. Help me, God, I pray. Preserve my soul. I look around the world today. Oh, God, and you will see.
By the way, I haven't done this for a while, so yo, we're dropping the Google Hangouts link for anyone that wants to jump on panel with me. And so we're just chilling out in the morning. I'm loving the conversations in chat, talking about growing tents, lights, all that good stuff. Best up to chat for holding it down. Best up to everyone for being here. Let's run some music, continue the vibe so you can enjoy what you guys doing and just chilling in the morning. As I said, this is a wake and bake. So we're all just here relaxing and having a good time.
My heart is willing, flesh is weak. Oh God, I've seen you walk your way, your holy way. I pray my soul to keep. Though my enemies encamp at me, I know I will stand forevermore under the banner and for always in your hand. It's me again, God, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Lord, keep them away. It's me again, God, as I fall on my knees today. pray, oh Lord, face another day. Oh.
Hello. Welcome, Brian. Best up, my brother. Happy New Year. Glad to see you. Glad to see you indeed, my friend. Not hearing you.
It just took a while.
Oh, awesome. So how is it going for the new year, my brother?
Not bad, not bad.
I said, glad to see you. Glad that everyone has made it for the new year, and I'm back on YouTube for now. Actually, job hunting, so I'll be here until I have to go to a 9 to 5.
Oh.
And best out to Piccolo's son. He says he's gonna jump in when he gets his thing fixed. Show the power of Sativa. Nice. It's actually growing here. Someone has a plant. Yeah, either they got it from seed or something, but they got Blue Dream growing down here. I so want a cut.
Oh, I'm sorry. Dreamberry. And can't think of the other cross now. There's so many. There's just so many.
There's so many crosses.
This is the one I got running right now is Panama Ninja. Be interesting. Ninja Fruit and Panama Red.
Ninja Fruit and Panama Red. Nice. Interested indeed. And Jay Lucas and Miss College said 3 states here in the US legalize cannabis start of the new year. I expected that. That's why I said 2018 is going to be the year of green, because most of the countries and places are going to be start legalizing. Canada opened the floodgates by saying, hey, we're going to legalize fully countrywide. So everyone is now shuffling up so that they can outbeat Canada. At the end of the day, they still realize that this plan can be pumping millions in tax revenues, not even millions, billions in revenues. So guess what? Since Canada is making the step, they're slowly making the step. Once they see what Canada has done and they see where they can make it better so they can profit more from it, they're going to go ahead and fully legalize. Slowly but surely. And I can't play that song. Copyright just slapped me. But yeah, expect full legalization slowly. Slowly. Go
If,
ahead,
any,
Brian.
if anybody else is in a red state and you are being charged with cannabis, and go for freedom of religion. I've done it twice. I've done it in my house. All my stuff there. It's your right. And say that it doesn't work. It does when you do it right, over and over again, and don't back down from it. Yeah.
Freedom of
100
religion.
plants. I have my buddy on here to talk about his story. He's still a little shaken up over it, but he had 100 plants. Anything? No jail time. None. It's been over 8 months. No jail time. And all he said was freedom of religion.
Wow.
And I still have those plants. I went there the day before he got, but I got all of them. I got to save every single one of them. Every one of them.
That's amazing. I'm glad that clause still works.
It's got a story. It's got a story. It's got a backstory to it.
Go right ahead and share.
Well, I had 100 of them. He gave me one day, and he's got a long bud of headband, and he's like, "Oh, some." I was like, "Sure." He's like, "Here you go." One long bud had at least over 100 seeds in it. He's like, "Do them all." I'm like, "All right." About pheno selection back then, so I was just like, "All right."
Okay. Brian? Nice.
A little bush I could.
Nice little plant. They look nice.
That's a lot. That's a lot of work, though. That's almost too much.
Starting through 100 seeds to pick the best phenos. Yeah, that's a lot of work. That looks like a really nice plant.
It's been in here for a year.
Wow.
A year. No drain holes.
So that's like your mother plant?
This is actually a male. This one's the male.
Wow.
But this is the general shape of all of them. Yeah, like a total of 12, but. That container for a year, no nutrients, just coffee.
That looks shot. That really looks shot.
And some of my urine though, but
yeah, we ain't judging.
I know some people are like, ew, and I'm like, come on, that don't me.
Hey, what works for you works for you. You established a plan for a year, and it seems to be working out.
A year in the same container and no nutrients and distilled water, and then once in a while I got tap water. I just thought I'd give it a shot. That and it's a whole lot of less plastic containers in the landfill.
Nice.
Some of them are they're fun though. It's like here's your nutrient. It's got 20 different things in it. You feel like a mad scientist.
No, trust me.
Fun.
I do. Like when I'm mixing nutrients and everything, that's like my chemistry mode, science mode, Dr. Andy.
Just right. I'll get you what you need. You need a little bit of this, a little bit of that. But I better shake this up so it doesn't get nutrient locked. I had a blast doing that shit
No,
until I'm sure.
no, for me,
Yeah.
it's like a hobby because
This,
I make my own nutrients, like using compost and all of that stuff.
nice.
So when I'm mixing, I'm there, yeah, man. A little bit of this. I got more manure here. All right, look at this manure. Is it dry enough? Is it cured enough? Yeah, so it didn't become a chore, just became a fun process to do while taking care of my plants.
Yeah, they are expensive. The dispensary stores, yeah, they are pricey.
Yeah, nutrients is pricey. That's why I said make your own. Use organic nutrients. It saves you it saves you a lot. And
I just
also look
overthink things
into
a lot.
me. Yeah, trust me, I overthink, think I'm not doing it properly, but I get results.
I over the. Oh, and they're on a second re-veg too.
Nice. Apart of looking
I've
at
been
job,
looking.
I need to set up my grow area so I can have longer vegging time. Can't be waiting on the sun to get longer. Although I can grow, the plants are gonna be short because yeah, they're just gonna hit flower as quick as possible. So yeah, re-vegging. I'm glad say you can do it. I wish I could add extra time to the growth process of the plants.
Oh yeah, it takes forever to do it like the way that I'm doing it because it's just like you got to train it like every 3 to 4 days.
Ooh.
Weird looking.
By the way, how do you re-veg your plants?
Well, I did over stripped, and then the last one I didn't. Is just leave all the leaves on there. Just take all the take just that and leave all that leaf material on there, and then just throw it back into regular 18 hours. Back to it. Weird little like almost looks like seed structures on it, and that's a new plant.
Nice.
You'll get these weird little one leaves, and they get too big. They start blocking light and start taking them off. It takes forever to do it. I don't know, a good 20 minutes for each plant, like 5 minutes, and then the next time you go in there, they react a lot faster when you take those little leaves off. It's almost like I think it's like a hormonal thing. And then I go through and I take off any of the dead or any of the old leaves because those old leaves they won't die and they just sit there forever.
Yeah.
All off.
But I understand. I've done that as well. When I have the plants growing and they're in flower, I go around and I clip off the dead leaves because the small leaves as well because the hormonal thing, once you strip them off, the plant is in shock, stating, oh, it doesn't have those small leaves to extend any nutrients from or to.
Or try to fix or try to correct or
Yeah,
all that.
so it grows additional stems, leaves. Um, the leaves become larger. It's a hormonal balance that happens once you're making a form of trimming. Lollipopping, that's where I see that happening a lot. Once you lollipop your plants, you see some crazy growth structures happening. Like what I
Drop.
like after what?
Yes, if re-veg the male after pollen drop.
Uh, You would
Oh,
have to.
you have to. Yep. That's what I got. That's what I got too. He seemed to bounce back faster than all the rest, but he had more leaves on than the females because I stripped them completely naked.
Okay.
The buds and like a couple leaves.
I don't do it that savage.
Oh, dude, I got pictures of it, dude. It don't even look like a plant. Mine did. It still did it. It was supposed to be so they would interlock two containers, like interlock the, I don't know, to save on space, just to fill up the whole space. But you could do that with one plant. But I like moving out my plants. I like doing that. Just not when they're huge, though.
Okay.
I got to scoot on the floor with 30-gallon wet container. No, that's heavy. 30-gallon container. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
And I was just like, oh no.
Well, I've been on here for an hour, so I'm gonna actually jet off, get some applications written and all that stuff. Job hunting.
Oh, best of luck. Do you have like a template already made up, like an application already filled out, so you can just hop in there and copy it?
No, I have my resume and everything already written. So what I just gonna do is read over, proofread, add anything new that was done, and just get it all printed and sent out. Instead, also looking in the States, so who knows where I may land.
Can you cook?
Yes, I
We spend a job cooking. It's not the funnest job in the world, but
yes, I can cook.
That's what I've been as a cook.
If you guys look at my Instagram, you can see that Christmas dinner was awesome.
Nice.
Yeah, let's see what happens. But yeah, got a lot of stuff to go through today. So thank you guys for being here with me, Brian. It's a blessing to always have you here. And thanks for joining me on panel. To everyone that was participating in chat, to everyone that just stopped by, showed love and showed overall support. Blessings from Jamaica. Much love. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me on.
No problem, brother. And I said, thanks that we all made it to the new year. Much love and blessings from Jamaica. Randy Gaston. Peace out. Anything you want to say, Brian?
Everybody have a great year.
Happy New Year. Everybody, bless up and peace.